And I just wanted to make the final note here. When you're setting up your operating systems, there are a couple things you want to be aware of when you're looking at your host operating system as well. So I'm going to take a quick look at that. Start by opening the Network and Sharing Center. This happens to be on Windows 10. And I'm going to change adapter settings. Notice this looks just like Windows 7 and similar enough to Windows XP. And again, I have to push Alt to find the advanced menu here. Go to Advanced Settings. Now I want to point out, remember I have this adapter here that I'm using for activations. I don't have it called activations on here, although I could. It's going to show up like this here. And again, I want to make sure the activations network is very high priority. Higher than Wi-Fi for sure. And then I also want to make sure that my Ethernet that I'm going to be programming with is the next most important, the next highest priority. And coming back to this idea of IPv6, I like to turn these off as well. And again, I haven't actually had issues related to this, but I've been turning it off for a long time, so I haven't really given it much option to cause me issues. And like I said, it was recommended to me by somebody I respect. I'll say OK for that, and then I'll come in here and find that IPv6 and turn it off. Say OK. Oh. This is my normal Ethernet. This just happens over here. This just happens to be what's on my docking station. So I'll actually be doing programming through this Ethernet. That's the one I'm going to look at. Make sure my IPv6 is turned off. We'll say OK. And that's all we got to do for the host operating system.